Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and go to your contacts. Now let's tap on the one you want to edit and click on this info icon. Here we've got the camera icon, so let's tap on it, and as you can see now we can add a profile picture using defaultly installed avatars. If you want to check more, just tap on this plus icon here, and here we've got much more options. Let me get back. What's more, we can choose the profile picture from our own gallery or open the camera app, so you will be able to take a photo. Let me pick something from the gallery. Let's click on allow and let's choose the one you want to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of the square and the circle, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So let's position it just like you want, and if you're happy with the results, click on done. As you can see, it is immediately applied. Remember to tap on save. Let's get back, and as you can see, it is visible on our contact list and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or while texting with that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.